In this example, we're supposed to convert 5,000 microwatts to milliwatts. So what I have to do first, I have to simply write everything what is given. So I have 5,000 and micro represents 10 to negative 6 power of 10 watts. And I'm looking for milliwatts. 10 to negative 3. Milli represents 10 to negative 3. In this case, watts. What I have to do, exactly the same thing like I did before. I'm going to copy down 5,000 times 10 times. Now, because I have the same base, I'm supposed to add these two exponents. I have to find what exponent I have to write over here in order to add to this one and get negative 6. I'm supposed to write negative 3 over here. Negative 3 plus negative 3 gives me negative 6. Now, but this number is going to look a little bit too long because 5,000 times 10 to negative 3 is taking too long. Engineering notation is designed to make the long numbers short. So instead of 5,000, I'm going to simply write that this is 5 times 10 to the third, because 5 times 10 to the third, 10 to the third is 1,000, is going to give me 5,000 times 10 to negative 3. This power of 10 represents my prefix. 10 to negative 3 is represented by lowercase letter m. That's why I'm going to write milliwatts. Now we're supposed to copy down 5 and apply the properties of exponents. Keep in mind that anytime we have multiplication and we have two numbers with the same base, we're supposed to keep the base and add exponents. 3 plus negative 3 gives me 0. And copy down milliwatts. Keep in mind that 10 to 0, anything raised to power 0, right? Any number raised to power 0 gives me 1. Okay, that's why I'm going to write 5 milliwatts. 5 times 1 is 5. And just copy down milliwatts. And this is the solution to the first part of my problem. I'm supposed to convert 5,000 microwatts to watts. Now, we do not have any prefix over here. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to simply keep in mind that 5,000 is nothing else just 5 times 10 to the third, okay, this is 5,000, and simply multiply by 10 to negative 6. Because I have no prefix, I don't have to multiply by anything over here. And simply apply the properties of exponents, and I'm going to have 5 times 10, 3, plus negative 6 gives me negative 3 watts. And this is the solution to the problem.